On question number 3, we are trying to fill out the table. So we have the periodic deposit, the interest rate, the time, and then the future value. So the main distinction between the present value and the payment is that the payment happens multiple times. So if you are depositing money multiple times into an account, that counts as a payment. If you are just depositing money once at the very start, then that would be the present value. So we are actually not concerned with the present value at all in any of these. So the present value is going to be 0 for all 4 rows in this table. So let's look at the first row. N is going to be 20 times 1 because it's 20 years compounded annually. PYCY is going to be 1. The payments are going to be 2,000 and the interest rate is going to be 5. And we are trying to find the future value. So that will be $66,131.91. For the second row, we are trying to find the payment. N is going to be 5 times 4 because it's 5 years and it's compounded quarterly. So PYCY will be 4. The future value is going to be 20,000 and I is going to be 3.5. So we find that the PMT is going to be $919.41. For the third row, we are trying to find the future value, and we know that the payments are 1,000. The interest rate is 6.25. The PYCY is 4, and N is 6 times 4. So the future value will be $28,849.84. And then for the last row, we are trying to find PMT. The future value is 1 million. PYCY is 12. N is going to be 40 times 12. And I is 7.25. So the PMT is going to be $355.05.